So I rode the pram because, as I said earlier, I got bit by a bee. It really hurts for me to pedal. It wasn't such a far ride from where we were at. It was maybe like a 10-minute bike ride. And yeah, we are here now, and you can see this is a weekday, but there's so many people. Our boat's at 2:30 p.m. and yeah, we're gonna really enjoy this weather today.
if they were to look at my like social media history. Skål!
And we just kept going like so obviously. He was just trying to ignore us. You could see just
Embarrassing sometimes. Oh, we thought it was going to be colder in the boat, and I don't think that was true. What does that mean?
It's like you dive and it looks like
Alright, we just finished the boat ride and that was a lot of fun. It was so nice and relaxing. So much to see for 2 hours. You get to really experience the Danish sun and summer like everyone else out here. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the bike tour and also the boat tour of Copenhagen. Again, I will leave some details on where you can book down below if you want to. Check it out. Really awesome, especially during the summer. You know, great days like this where everyone's out and about. It's such a lively city. Anyway, guys, I'll probably be posting more videos about Copenhagen. So if you want, just don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next adventure.